Upgrading your home kitchen with precise restaurant-quality culinary technique without guessing core temperatures or overcooking expensive cuts of meat usually means transitioning to a smart, all-in-one immersion cooking kit. The INKBIRD Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker Bundle, complete starter kit with vacuum sealer pump and 30 bags, redefines precision cooking by combining powerful 1000-watt heating performance, remote smartphone control, and complete bag and seal accessories into a seamless package. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its advanced 1000W thermal immersion engine paired with built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Instead of struggling with traditional stovetop guesswork or bulky standalone appliances, this precision cooker circulates and heats water to the exact fraction of a degree, allowing you to monitor cook times, adjust temperatures, and receive notifications directly from your smartphone via the INKBIRD app. Performance and everyday versatility streamline meal prep across gourmet steaks, poultry, fish, and meal prep vegetables. Spanning a powerful temperature range with tight accuracy, the cooker clamps securely onto standard pots and containers. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by the included starter kit featuring 30 reusable vacuum bags and a handheld vacuum sealer pump, enabling you to lock out air and preserve food integrity instantly. Its quiet running water pump ensures even heat distribution, while built-in safety protections automatically shut the unit off if water levels drop too low. Things to consider before you buy. Because sous vide cooking requires specialized immersion vessels, you will want to ensure you have a large enough stock pot or a dedicated polycarbonate container and lid to accommodate your water volume and food portions. Additionally, while the app offers fantastic remote monitoring, setting up the initial 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection requires a quick sync via your smartphone. So, who is this really for? This comprehensive sous vide starter bundle is an absolute home run for home cooks, steak aficionados, and meal prep enthusiasts looking to achieve professional-grade culinary precision with an all-inclusive kit right out of the box. If you are looking for a high-speed countertop air fryer or a traditional slow cooker for dump-and-go stews, a different style of cooking appliance will better match your recipe style. Is it worth the money? If you value a powerful 1000W thermal immersion circulator, convenient Wi-Fi app integration, and a complete ready-to-use bundle including a vacuum pump and 30 reusable bags, it is a premier, cost-effective investment for elevating your home cooking.